totally hasn't been like 2 years since I made a YouTube video. That would just be crazy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. I'm Little Fit Kendall, and today I'm gonna be talking to you guys about something very important, and that is the #1 biggest mistake that I see people making that is holding them back from accomplishing their health and fitness goals. And that is not eating enough calories. And I know this is absolutely gonna sound backwards, but stay with me. Our bodies are like high-performance sports cars. Whether you like to admit it or not, we are very cool but very complicated biological machine. Machinery needs fuel to function, and we're no different. So our bodies need a certain amount of energy in order to be able to do the processes that they need to do, including the fat loss processes. So if you're trying to build muscle, lose fat, not eating enough calories is really not going to help you. Even if you're not trying to build muscle, it can still really hold you back from your weight loss goals if you're constantly undernourished. The reason for this is because we need our carbohydrates. That's going to give us energy. Our fats are what's going to give us a lot of our hormonal support. And then our proteins are the basic building blocks for pretty much all of our cells. So with that, of course we're gonna need some. Also, protein's absolutely fantastic because just by eating the protein, you're actually burning more calories just through the digestion process, which is pretty cool. But the thing is that especially as women, we're already not eating enough protein as it is generally. So then when we go and cut our calories back to those really common numbers that you see in these crazy plans, like 1,000 calories, 1,100 calories, 1,200 calories, we're definitely not getting enough protein then. All the time, I see these women who are sitting at that 1,100, 1,200 calories. They don't eat. They don't understand why they're not losing weight. And I'm like, because you're not eating. Food is fuel. You wouldn't take a high-performance sports car like yourself and drive to Vancouver with no gas in the tank. That would be dumb. That's why we don't want you to do that with your own body. We want to make sure that you have enough gas in the tank to get where you want to go. I don't want you guys to be waking up feeling exhausted, feeling like you're demotivated, feeling crappy and cranky. So don't worry, I got the fix for you. The fix is pretty simple, and I'm gonna break it down for you here. When it comes to staying the same weight, you want to find your maintenance calories. I will put the equation for that right here. Your maintenance calories are the calories that you need to take to exist at your current fitness level. So if we eat less than this amount, then we're going to lose weight, hypothetically. And if we eat more than this amount, we're going to gain weight. So if you want to lose weight pretty quickly, a good rule of thumb is to find that maintenance calories for yourself and then deduct 500 calories from that. So whether you burn 500 calories more in exercise or you eat 500 calories less in food is going to be totally up to you. I recommend doing a little bit of both because like fitness is good for our mental game. And then if you want to gain muscle, what you're going to do is you want to find yourself in a surplus of 300 to 500 calories. So now we're gaining just a little bit. We're eating just a little bit more than what our body needs because we are making new mass. We're making new muscle with that. Your fitness and nutrition definitely isn't something that needs to be super complicated, but it can definitely be made a lot easier if you do put the time in to do it properly. The point with our health and fitness is to feel good. The last thing I like to see is when people go through these programs and feel absolutely awful throughout because they're undernourished and overworked. Try to find the right balance for you. And remember that the magic doesn't lie in the extremes, but in the consistency. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I am so glad to be back. If you guys like this video, definitely let me know below. Don't forget to catch our free live boot camps every Sunday at 10 a.m. I'll put the link down in the description below. It's totally free, no equipment, follow along workout, and we would absolutely love to have you there. Thanks for hanging out, you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Now go get yourself some water.